How does it happen, though? Isn't there a context in which it happens? Yes. 1 Peter 1:20-23, you're begotten again by the word of truth. Faith comes by hearing the word of Christ, the hearing of the gospel. And at that moment, the marvelous regenerating power of the Spirit of God, because He wills to do it, gives us life. And this is the means that produces in us a living hope. That is a hope that never dies. We're not like all men, most miserable because we have a hope that dies. Look, all the hope you have in this world will die. All the people who follow Joel Osteen, either they never get what they wish, which is 99% of the time, and if they happen to be high enough up the pile that they do get what they wish, eventually it is gone. If it's all in this world, if all your hope is here, it will die. If it hasn't died, it will die. But we have a hope that will not die, a living hope given to us because we have been given life, regenerated. We now have eternal life. And for us, to die is merely gain to enter into the fullness of that life.